Myrrh is characterized as an antimicrobial, antifungal, astringent, healing tonic, stimulant, carminative, expectorant, and as a diaphoretic, locally antiseptic, immune stimulant, a circulatory stimulant, anti-inflammatory, and antispasmodic. This oil is well known for its spiritual aspects, but it is also suitable for treating female complaints, skin ailments, as well as detoxifying the body and expelling mucus and phlegm from the lungs. Myrrh also helps with ailments such as colds, coughs, sore throats, and bronchitis. Myrrh is used for diarrhea, epilepsy, flagellants, and hemorrhoids. It is commonly used for the treatment of mouth and gum infections, ulcers, gingivitis, and pyorrhea. Myrrh is good for the skin and for infections such as boils, ulcers, bed sores, ringworm, wounds that don't heal, eczema, and athlete's foot. Myrrh can be possibly tonic in high concentrations and should not be used during pregnancy. Myrrh is a base note.